Good afternoon, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 3:54 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Monday, November 8th, 2021. Almost said Thursday. This isn't financial advice, educational. Subscribe and hit the bell. Be notified when these videos come out, as well as thumbs up. Share the video. We're talking about Origin Protocol, OGN. Intraday updates on that Twitter link below. Let's look at Origin, US dollar pair. I zoomed out so we can all enjoy this beautiful triangle here with a couple of little, we had one period of time where we thought this was an inverted head and shoulders. It wound up coming, but it came out a lot later than we thought when we melted back up to $1.20. But let me get rid of these now because that point in time is over and we don't really care anymore. What we care about is where we go next. Now, right now, we do have that line of support from March 2021 all the way to now. And even better than that, we're starting to break this line of resistance that has been in force since April of 2021. Now, I'm going to zoom in a little bit, talk a little bit about points of resistance and current support area. Current support area right now is around 98 cents. I think we're going to have some resistance as we continue our trek up. Couple of areas. And again, it's a big if. Everything with the cryptos is if. We don't know whether we're going down or up, but we can kind of project where we could be going. Given that we're now on this solid line of once support, now resistance, once resistance, now support, our bounce up could be up to 120. 120 seems to be an area where we have struggled in the past getting over. But make no mistake about it, if we do get over 120, the next stop would be around 143 in terms of areas of resistance. So again, this is not a straight up game. This is you have to kind of risk manage your positions, but also make sure that you're keeping your eye on the key levels of support as well as resistance areas. So that's what I've got right now. I've got 98-cent support, as well as next stop $1.20, and then above that $1.43. Origin Bitcoin pair is right now roughly around 1571. We also have a line of support sitting there around 1545, but right now looking like we'll probably also have resistance around 1600 and change. But this thing will wind up over the near term probably hanging out between 1683 and 1550 in that range. Bitcoin has really melted up nicely. I had tweeted this out last night sometime, and I noticed that we had a triangular pennant-like formation here on the Bitcoin pair. Now, what has happened since is it has melted up. We're at around 66,000 right now. We were as high as around 66,579. Pulled back a little bit, to be expected. I mean, people are definitely taking profits on this one. But, I think we're going to kind of hang around here, continue consolidation for the next melt up higher, hopefully to that green line. This green line goes to 80,000 by December 31st. I think we'll get there sooner than that. In the meantime, Bitcoin dominance is also dominating. Look how when we broke this line, we just went straight up vertically. Now we're kind of like consolidating here. The next step on this thing, it's a little hard to say from where this thing is, but if we do melt up, I think we'll have an area of resistance around 44, 45. We went up as high as 44, but 45 seems to be the next area of potential resistance on the Bitcoin dominance pair. But I think overall, Origin US dollar looking pretty healthy right now from my purview. Potentially a triangular pattern here, upward ascending triangle. But we'll keep our eye on that, and I'll keep posted on Twitter. Take it easy.